Hello everyone. Today I'm here to say something about software engineering. First of all, what is software engineering? Software engineering is basically an application of disciplined, systematic, and quantifiable approach to the development, operation, and maintenance of software. It's basically a study of software design, development, and maintenance process. Uh, it's basically a process for creating a quality software product. Now we are going through some other point, that is the characteristics of software engineering. The first one is a systematic approach, the second one is disciplined methodology, and the quantifiable process. Now we are moving ahead, emergence of the software engineering. First of all, in 1960s, the software engineering term was first introduced or first used by the NATO conference. In 1970s, the formal education in software engineering began at academic institution. In 1980s, the software development life cycle (SDLC) gains the prominence. SDLC basically a software development life cycle. Now we move ahead, and the software matrices and models. Matrices is basically measures used to manage and track the development and quality of software, whereas models is a representation used to define and simulate software system. Now the processes metrics. The first one is efficiency. The second one is quality. Efficiency of the software development process to identify bottlenecks and optimize resources, whereas uh, quality of the software development process by tracking the defects and error rates. uh, Now the product matrices. The product matrices is of two types: size oriented and complexity oriented. Size oriented is based on the size of the code or number of the component, whereas the complexity oriented is based on the its complexity and in intricacy. The software process. The software process is of structured methodology, iterative development, and effective planning. The first one is structured methodology. It's an approach to develop and maintain software, whereas in case of iterative development, it's an approach to software development to refine requirement and design. The third one is effective planning. Effective planning for each phase of the software development, from conceptual to deployment. Now software product, that is the line of code and the code coverage. Now there are software life cycle model, that is waterfall, waterfall, prototype, and spiral model. These are the software life cycle model. SDLC model. The first one is waterfall model. Waterfall model is basically a linear and sequential development approach, whereas in prototype model builds a partial or initial version of the software for demonstration and validation. It's basically first build a prototype and then show the customer. It's basically a prototype model. The last one is a spiral model. It's basically a combined iterative aspect of prototype with control and systematic aspects of the waterfall model. That's all for this video. Thank you very much.